we need to give a single line goal to Auto GPT, and to accomplish that goal, it will create multiple sub-steps that it will have to take to complete that goal. It is like creating a recipe for dal chawal, right? So you just write make dal chawal. Now what happens under that is that you need to prepare the dal, you need to make the chawal, you need to prepare all of the ingredients that are required. So there are sub steps required inside of this goal. So Auto GPT automatically finds out these steps and starts executing on these steps and completing the goal. Now it deploys multiple GPT-4s on all of these tasks and executes them one by one. That's the cool part about Auto GPT. And another great part is that you can try it out yourself by going onto its GitHub repository, by cloning it, simply install it in your laptop and start using it like that. Or you can also check out godmode.space, which is a website which allows anyone to use Auto GPT